Hey guys, Captain Rush here with Local Knowledge. Today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about a new product that I'm really excited about. Spinning gear is a huge part of my everyday arsenal. I use spinning gear, I would say 75% of the time. So when a new product comes out that has all the features and key qualities I'm looking for, that really gets me amped up. And Penn's really knocked it out of the park with this one. This is the Penn Authority. I've tested this for the past year. I've put it through some of the harshest conditions. Pretty much day in, day out, grinding away, charter fishing. And, with customers, they're beating the hell out of this stuff. I mean, it changes hands daily. And different levels of fishing experience as well. A lot of torquing on the reel, a lot of reeling against the drag. I'm really excited that there's no plastic on this Authority. You look at it, you pick it up, feels great in my hand, it's balanced, and now I don't have to worry about plastic cracking in the sun. I don't have to worry about stripping anything. This full metal body is durable enough to last me season after season. The other thing you're going to notice when you pick it up is on the Authority, Penn is upgraded to an IPX8 waterproof rating. That means my drags are going to stay dry, my gears are going to stay dry, the bearings are going to stay dry. No water intrusion at all. I think everybody, when they first pick up a spinning reel, gives it the spin test. You're going to see how smooth that reel is. And that's really important for me because when I'm fighting a fish, I want no stickiness. I want to be able to turn the handle effortlessly. And I want the same for my customers as well. The next thing I like about the Authority is it's got all stainless steel gears in it. No rust, no corrosion. These reels are built to last. Whenever we talk spinning reels, we gotta have a good drag. You gotta have a drag capable of fighting a fish up to 30, 40 pounds, right? It's gotta be smooth, it's gotta be durable. And this DuraDrag encompasses all of that. It's also the same drag I'm used to in all the slammers. It puts out 60 pounds of drag. That's plenty to fight any fish we're gonna catch on the spinning reel. For me, when it comes to the Authority, it's kind of a one size fits all. Now, don't get me wrong, they come in all different sizes, but for me, the 5500 is my go-to reel. And the reason for that is every day in the Keys, we're catching fish anywhere from 5 pounds to 50 pounds. I can do that with a 5500 all day long. The only thing that changes is the braid size. This spool holds more than enough braid for me to catch anything from mutton snapper to sailfish and wahoo. Before the Authority, I was always a slammer guy. I love my slammers, but Penn has just stepped it up a notch with the new Authority. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this information was informative to you. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like.